গুড ইভিনিং। নাও আজকে আমি শুরু করব যে প্রাধান্যতাটা কেন ফিগার অফ স্পিচ বা অলংকারের। আমরা সাধারণত পার্টস অফ স্পিচকে নিয়ে খুব বেশি একটা আলোচনা করি না, কিন্তু পার্টস অফ স্পিচ ইজ ভেরি মাচ ইম্পর্টেন্ট টু আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড ইংলিশ literature or the sentences. It is very much important and are to be applied. What exactly the concept about the parts of speech that does help us to learn a lot and to understand the sentence real meanings. So at the beginning we need to have it is important much. Indeed, it is important much. I would say always. And in Bengali, yes, we hardly teach about parts of speech simply. Our intention is to secure the marks, not the knowledge. And mostly the teachers, they teach English. So that is really, they are excellent at their teaching. And their view is to help the students to secure marks. But my intention is to secure marks is important much. Yes, I always agree with that. I am not against that. But definitely, I would say I shall pay more attention to that. To have the knowledge is much more and much important than to secure marks. Equal, I would say, both are equally important to have the marks and to have the knowledge to use English. Repeatedly I see and I reiterate. We need to read, we need to listen, we need to apply, and we need to write. Then only we would have a language. In our grief, we can use it at our need or needs. Need, I will tell you, need is as verb, need is as noun, and need is as adverb. But nowadays it is obsolete. Needs, you can get it just in Nesfield's grammar book. I would say today just my discussion is chiefly based on we have two books grammar. The exact grammar you can pick up. You can get more knowledge reading, following Jesse Nesfield and Brennan Martin. Equally you have to follow. And it is for the students, it is not for the college students. It is to be finished from the secondary. When for the secondary students, they are to finish, I suggest you. And I know a lot more teachers about English, but hardly they appear. And if they appear, and you must have an idea about that, their pronunciation first that differs, their accentual habit is entirely different. So that does not matter too. But we need to have knowledge. Now you see, we study for what it is exactly, what is our view and the motto, and what is the purpose. I know the answer is very much aware. Those were the followers, those were the students. So this need is to be solved by the teachers. But the teachers they teach, they are excellent. They are selected through SSC. So I never can degrade their academic career. But you can understand the teaching process and the procedure is entirely different. They hardly apply this and suggest the students to apply. ব্যবহার করো, ইংরেজি ব্যবহার না করলে কোনোদিনই আমরা এর ঠিক ফলটা পাবো না, and it would never be. So a teacher should always teach the students oral. Oral and oral is very much important at your teaching. Simply my suggestion is very much what is called appreciable. I should feel, and you ought to do accept this. If you want, it is your part of activity, and you can do whatever you like. But I would ask Now the days have come a competitive. You have to appear in the competitive examination to secure your qualifying marks. Then you will be entitled just to appear in the next. So for all the students, those who are following correctly and attentively the study English, they must secure the job. But it is not assured that all you will get that government job. There are private educational systems. Apart of the educational industries too there, they need the employees. This should be there. However, it is your part. So now today just I am going to ask, I am getting really an excellent response from YouTube, whatever I have uploaded. Maybe you might not have the right concept and consequences or respectivity is not there for us. But it does depend upon your need. If you do ask, then only yourself upload. If you don't do, then how can I understand about it? I know a lot about how to teach. My students, I hardly teach students. In a batch only 4 or 5 or 6, not more. I wanted to teach the students with my soul. At least they should understand it, they could understand and they may use. But utilizing, if they cannot speak at the primary stage, does not matter, and the mind teaching process always help them to learn. So now I am going to repeat about the importance of one figure of speech. Parts of speech is very much important, you know, and you are very much aware about this. Only just in a spell you can go through that you will get the right idea about that. And all the exercises relating to this your means syllabus that is laid or that is written in Renan Martin. But Renan Martin and Jesse Neswell both are equally important. Either your knowledge would never be completed without Jesse Neswell, Renan Martin. And about of that, books are there, grammar books, but I suggest these two books are very much important just to follow, and easy language has been applied here. So now I am telling about the simile that you can go and find Renan Martin's book, and there it has been given. Understand? So what is exactly a figure of speech? Is a departure from the ordinary form of expression. Ordinary form of expression মানে সাধারণ একটা ব্যাখ্যা করা যে এক্সপ্রেস করা হচ্ছে এক্সপ্রেশন অর দ্য অর্ডিনারি কোর্স অফ আইডিয়াস, আমাদের যে সাধারণ একটা আইডিয়া থাকবে, নলেজ থাকবে, ইন অর্ডার টু প্রডিউস এ গ্রেটার এফেক্ট, প্রত্যেক আমাদের ওটার ভালো বেশি এফেক্ট বা আরও সুন্দর বাক্যকে আকর্ষণীয় করে তুলতে গেলে আমাদের ফিগার অফ স্পিচের প্রয়োজনীয়তাটা আছে। So I would ask, what exactly the simile is? Similarity or simile? It has been given. But exactly the simile. A comparison is made between two objects. A comparison is made between two objects of different kinds which have, however, at least one point in common. So you can follow this book. I am referring this book, Renan Martin, and you can find the definition has been given clearly. You can reading it repeatedly, you can understand this. So now, exactly, the figure of speech may be classified as under, it has been given in the book, those based on resemblance means similarity, as such as simile, metaphor, personification, and apostrophe. So these are similarities. This figure of speech are important to be applied when just we are writing something about our textual concept, reading a poem or reading a text or a drama. It is important, much to be important. The second is called and those based on contrast. Contrast, you have an idea, and you must watch the TV and you must use the contrast. What is exactly the brightness and the darkness is, or as per your eyes that can follow it easily. It's called contrast that you can adjust clicking the buttons. Is it? So right. And then, and it is called the, what is the contrast as well? Antithesis and epigram. And you can get more knowledge about whenever just I shall go further about it. Matter means exactly its definition and its narrative parts. Its clarification is very much important. Then the based on association, associate. And you can understand that association means akutika. Majority to attraction act is metonymy and synecdoche. So it is important. School level থেকে করতে হবে 9, 10 and 11. That is indeed important. তারপরে চতুর্থটা যে those depending on construction গঠনতন্ত্র সম্বন্ধে বাক্যে such as climax and anticlimax. At least there are 100 more or 200 more figure of speech are there, but we need only 30, 32 or 20. It would be enough for you to have your knowledge developed if you can use it. So I would simply ask you, just school level only 20 is important much to apply it over here. Nothing more I say to. And if you can develop your ideas and you may find more, and if you can get more knowledge. I am a Bengali speaker, yes, always I appreciate. I mean, I accept this. I love because my mother tongue is strong always, and I love to speak in Bengali too. But in regard to mine, importance means in respect of its application or for in further life or for further life in college life, in banking or somewhere else in business or in for education. It is very much important to have our knowledge in English. Then only just we can expect. So nothing more. Now similes. Now I am going to repeatedly reiterate about simile. What is exactly a simile is a comparison is made between two objects of different kinds which have however at least one point in common. The simile is usually introduced by such words as like, as or so. তিনটে দিয়ে ওখানে লাইক অ্যান্ড অ্যাজ করেছিলাম, এটা সো দিয়েও করেছে। So now the simile is usually introduced by such word like, as or so. So now I am providing you the examples orally, just you do not try to find out the words. I am now active words reflection or I can not present right now. So now the first one, the Assyrian came down like a wolf on the field. Assyrian. Other name, the righteous shall flourish as the palm tree. You can understand, try to get it. As the heart panteth after the water brooks, so panteth my soul after thee. Oh God. These examples has been taken from the eminent extract. So now the fourth. The words are like leaves, and where they most abound, much fruit of saints beneath is rarely found. So now you can find here in this sentence as well. So now, how far the little candle through his beams, so shines a good deed in a naughty world. Here you can find so. So you can understand this. So life is as tedious as a twice-told tale, vexing the dull ear of a drowsy man. So you can get this example story. I am reading it and you can find it in your books. And you will get more idea. You can develop your ideas reading the books and whatever. Just I am what is called hearing and conveying these matches through YouTube and writing in the boards. That is much helpful. Yes, always. But it is much more than my boards presentation. So I please ask you, please try to follow. Which thy soul was like a star and developed upward, thou heardst a voice whose sound was like the sea. So you can have this knowledge reading the books. Please try to follow Rain and Marching. It would help you. And thereafter, just if you ask, I shall provide you more details. And these concepts are all available in the YouTube. And if you can log on, you must have better knowledge. Where you will log on? Into the computer. In the Google. Google means what? Now it has become a verb. Google it means search it. So please try. Whenever you would have a whole lot of English sentences, you can come on and you can write the sentence and you can feed it into the Google and answer would come out. Unless your sentences are correct, Google would never answer. So I would ask, please, my followers, my students, my love, try to understand this word. This is very much helpful. I am Bengali speaker, always I tell my accent, yes, it differs whenever it is needed, whenever I get such questions. But yeah, I do not find. So now, next I shall follow you, that I shall tell you about the metaphor. And I have told you when similarity is metaphor. So simile and metaphor and what other two are, the personification and apostrophe are important, and it is included in this part. That's similarity. But you have to understand reading that. Where like, so and as are used, then it is easily understood is simile. But in metaphor it is a little different. So now, metaphor is an implied simile. Implied for implied. It does not like the simile state that one thing is like another or acts as another. It is indirect. That is direct. It is indirect. But takes that for granted and proceeds as if the two things were one. Thus, when we say he fought like a lion, and you can find he fought like a lion, we use a simile. But when we say he was a lion in the fight, we use it is metaphor. He was a lion in the fight, and he fought like a lion. He fought like a lion, it is simile. And he was a lion in the fight, it is metaphor. And this is the examples of a metaphor. How can it be used in direct? I think তোমরা বুঝতে পেরে গেছো। যদি বুঝতে পারো, you can proceed and you can ask, be dear. You should have audacity. Write in Bengali, ask me the questions and I must answer. So now, I shall read the 4 examples. The camel is the sheep of the desert. তাহলে মরুভূমিতে ক্যামেল শিপ হতে পারে না, বাট ইট ইজ কনফিডেন্ট। তাহলে মরুভূমিতে উটি হচ্ছে জাহাজের মতন কাজ করে, স্থানান্তরকরণ করে জিনিসপত্র এখান থেকে ওখানে। The next, life is a dream. What? Life কার সঙ্গে তুলনা করা হয়েছে? It's a dream. স্বপ্নের সাথে। The news was a dagger to his heart. A dagger. Dagger means ছুরি, খুন করার। The news was, তাহলে সেই তার কাছে সংবাদটি ছিল একটা ছুরির মতো আঘাতপ্রাপ্ত his heart. Yes. So these all the examples you cannot avoid in each and every book. These all examples are readily available. You have to follow. Not only just to follow my speech, my explanation, my clarification, my illustration, that is might be. But why do you depend on your teacher? You would suggest to simply I will convey you. I am a communicator. I am experienced as, but I find no difference between a student and a teacher. Teacher is senior most, he is aged, he is experienced, and the student is not intelligent. I always love the students. I always consider they are more intelligent than a teacher. Because if they do not ask the questions, then how a teacher would develop? So the students are always very much what is called needed. What you would say? They are exactly the inspiration of the teachers. We are not superior, the students are superior always. I always pay them the respect and with love and lovingly I teach them. So these are exactly our comparisons and you can follow and you must find there. It will be very much helpful for you. Just try to follow and Martin. The page number it will not coincide the book that you have. The page may differ and you must find the figure of speech. Try to find it out and start reading and start applying at class 9 when you start reading poems. আমাদের পোয়েমের অর্থ নিয়ে কিছু লাভ হবে না, পোয়েমের ছন্দ জানতে হবে, রিদিম জানতে হবে, যেটাকে প্রসৌডি বলে সেটাকে শিখতে হবে অ্যান্ড ফিগার অফ স্পিচ এই বয়স থেকে আমাদের আন্দাজ করতে হবে যাতে লেখাটা আমাদের আলো বেশি আকর্ষণীয় হয়ে যায়। এরপরে আমি আপলোড করব পরবর্তী চ্যাপ্টারটা যেটা হবে personification and apostrophe, not apos, apostrophe, apostrophe. 100% জাস্ট আমি এই ব্যাপারে পরবর্তী পর্যায়ে এটাকে সম্পূর্ণরূপে আলোচনা করব। I think it will help you. Just I am providing and the reference. Just you follow the books. Renan Martin and Justin has spelled it will help you. And whenever just you read the text, try to get its meaning clear. English to Bengali, then Bengali to English, English to Bengali, Bengali to English, English to Bengali, then Bengali to English. Then its analysis will help you a lot to have this. Simply আমরা narration voice and we মানে what is called degree change করে আমাদের কিছু লাভ হবে না। স্প্লিটিং সেন্টেন্স কনসিকুয়েন্সেসে দিয়ে অতটা লাভ হবে না। যেদিন আমরা সেন্টেন্স বুঝতে পারবো, সব ট্রান্সফরমেশন অফ সেন্টেন্সগুলো আমাদের মুঠোয় চলে আসবে, দেন উইল হ্যাভ এন্ডলেস নলেজ অ্যান্ড উই নিড নট রিপিট what is called practicing. Just understanding is very much important. So your understanding is different from your knowledge. So you try to understand why a teacher does explain and narrate or illustrate about the subject. And the topic is very much important. I would always ask the student, my love, the future of the nation, please try to understand this. So nothing more. As a life here, the next, and I will say, and an opportunity. If you love it, you please make a comment and subscribe. That is all. Okay. Good.